So hello guys, this is Yeshan Agarwal from laptoprefix.com. Today I have this motherboard which is Zen Scala 2R. I think this is R509 motherboard or maybe something else. But I have get only motherboard here, so I can't see the display is coming or not. But it is laptop is come here to in dead condition. So when I plug in my adapter, it shows 0.008, and when I press this on off button, nothing happens. So let's see what's the problem. So first I have to check as usual 3 or 5 volt. So this is the IC, so this is the LDO. So I have to check the LDO first. LDO voltage is there or not. This is LDO voltage. So 5 volt LDO is here and 3 volt LDO is here. So the LDO is here, then IC should work, and 3 volt LDO is there. So second step is in turning on, I have to check the voltage on this on off pin. So when I check voltage on this pin, there is no voltage on off button. It may be ground. So in cross point I have to check here. I have to check here. So when I check on another pin, there is no any voltage, so the on off voltage is missing here. So I have to check the connectivity from on off pin to IO. So the on off pin is come here in 116 pin. So I have to check the 116 pin is here, it has the on or 3.3 voltage or not. Okay, when I say on 116 pin there is a 3.3 volt, but on off button there is no 3.3 volt. So it may be a track broken between on off switch and this IO. So let's see first the on off pin is going to the on off board or not. So I change my polarity option. I put positive to ground and do my continuity mode monitor, and the negative portion is touching on pins, so it may be grounded through polarity changes. So when I click on first pin, there is no any option. I check all the things. If there may be a connection between IO and these pins, the on off button will strike. So on second it not happened, and third, oh, on third the light has blue and my motherboard is on. So the I think the problem is on this PCB where the connection is not connected. Let's see it and check, because the connection from this IO to this board is okay. That's why this after polarity changes, the on off button strikes here. So I have to check this board and correct the problem. So after connect, we can check the motherboard what is the problem and track where the track is broken. So guys, as we can see here, my track, I found the track is broken from here. So after I connect this track. Let's see the on off button is working or not. So when I connect my adapter here, little bit wait for Samsung. I it is 0.009, and now I press the on off button and the light is glow and my system's on. So the problem is the track is broken from the on off PCB, and another remaining system is on motherboard is okay. So thank you guys to watching this video. This is Yashan Agarwal from laptopgraphics.com.